Hello, my name's Colin and I'm delivering the A-level biology specification at East Sussex College in Hastings. We work on the Salters-Nuffield biology specification. This is quite unusual in that it's context-led. The delivery is particularly suited to people going on to university level and is broken down into health with a particular focus on cardiovascular disease. We look at genetics and the human genome. There is biodiversity and use of natural resources, which is very relevant these days. We look at adaptation and sport physiology and about how human beings' performance can be adapted and enhanced. We also look at neuroscience and the science of immunity and infections, again, very current. Along that, we have 18 required practicals that you will study as part of the course. These practicals form part of your final grade, as does the results of 3 terminal examinations at the end of the 2-year of the course. We've got some fantastic purpose-built laboratories and brilliant technical support, all of which is set in a beautiful building right smack bang in the centre of Hastings. Our students from biology go on to study things like medicine, environmental science, dentistry, of course biology, biotechnology, pharmacy and pharmaceutical science at universities, amongst other things. To study A-level biology at East Sussex College, you will require a grade 6 in mathematics and a grade 6 in either biology or a grade 6 in additional science and science at GCSE level, alongside our standard entry requirements. East Sussex College in Hastings is really easy to get to. We're smack bang in the middle of the town, literally 30 seconds walk from both the train station and the bus station. We've also got plenty of car parks around if you want to drive. And there's free motorcycle parking also locally and easy to walk to as well. With biology, most students pair at least one other science, so mathematics or physics or chemistry tend to be popular, alongside things like sociology and psychology, or something like history or geography also pair well with biology. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, do feel free to get in touch. We'd love to hear from you and look forward to seeing you soon.